Hi everybody, welcome back to the world of science and pyrotechnics. Today we'll be experimenting with elephant's toothpaste. Step 1, take some dish soap and pour it into your bottle. Up to about there. Then take hydrogen peroxide and add that. Up to right about there. Then add food coloring. If you have it, I'm going to be using light green food coloring. Where did I set it? Okay. So add that. And swirl it around. Then you take 1 tablespoon of yeast and add it to a bowl of warm water and stir it for a bit. Let the yeast dissolve into the water a little. Once the yeast has sufficiently dissolved into the water, take your funnel. Assistant, can you hold this funnel? This is Lila. She'll be my assistant today. Then, dump this in and then move it quick. Move it quick. Yep. And here it comes. If it isn't going quite as fast as you want, add a little more hydrogen peroxide. And there it goes. And this is exothermic, so it's warm. Just have to trust me on that one. And we'll do that for a while. And if you want, you can try adding a little bit more hydrogen peroxide and get it to go a little bit more. You can get the reaction going again a little faster. Now normally this would happen really fast, but because we added soap, it goes quicker. Wow, that really is warm. Well, that's it for today. Bye, and see you next time. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and ring the bell to get daily notifications whenever we post a new video. Bye!